Hey, this is Derek. I got a package in the mail today, and I think you might be interested to see what was inside the package. So I might as well just start with what you're all waiting for here. And this is the Insta360 Ace Pro, and we're going to do an unboxing video of what's inside the box. And I have a few other boxes that we're going to open up afterwards. I have opened this previously, and I've charged this. And so it'll at least turn on for this. We will break after we've opened all the boxes and then come back and check out the features. So we open up the box, and here is the Ace Pro. You can see that there. It's the side. This is very similar to the Go 3 form factor. And as you can see, it has a flip up screen. So I'm just going to turn this on. The power button's on the side. It flashes, makes the little sound that we're all used to hearing, that we know and love. So below the camera, there's a little box here. On top of the box, it says Insta360 app, and there's a QR code there. Inside the box, so we've got some silica gel. This here is, I'm assuming, the mount. Said I've only opened up the camera previously, didn't open up anything else. So here is a little mount. Where did I put the camera? Oh, it's right here. So I'm going to take off the sticker on the bottom. It says, when a mount is not attached, avoid touching the heat dissipation area after prolonged use. Okay, got it. And then we can take this mount and hooks in there. It feels pretty secure, I think. Oh, you gotta click it in. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Pulling it pretty tight there. So I guess, how does it unlock? Well, I'll figure that out later. And then inside this bag looks like a mount similar to what we saw with the Go 3. No, it's a different one. So when this is attached, fits into this style of mount. And please make sure the surface to be adhered to is clean. This double-sided adhesive is for one-time use only. Press and hold for 30 seconds after adhesion. Got it. That sticks pretty well. And it is that sticky stuff that is on like the bottom of the Go 2 mount and the Go 3 mount, which is somewhere, but we'll find it. Okay, what else do we got in here? And we have a nice little, more heavy duty than normal charge cord there. So we have the charge cord, the sticky mount with no cover or anything to, so it's just going to get sticky, I think. Oh, there's some stickers here. Think bold, Insta360 stickers, and warranty card. What else? Quick start guide, we'll keep that out. And what's this? Insta360 Ace Pro full guide, I guess. So I guess, I don't know, it would have been nice to have a little cover to keep this, because it is pretty sticky. It's just the kind you wash off with water and it cleans, but it'd be nice just to have a little clip, but it's okay. We'll live with it. So that is what you find inside this box. Go through all the features later. We're just going to open up these boxes. So I'm going to shut this off now. It makes the usual sound. We'll put it back in the box. Here's the cord. There's the little thing there. And of course, I really don't know how this comes off. Okay, I'm just going to leave that on there. There must be a trick to get it off, and I don't want to break it. So I showed you how to open it, so hope you learned from that. Here's another box. See, they're tricky sometimes. Excuse me. So on this side, we have, feels like a silicone watch strap. Excuse me. And that's exactly what it is. So you got a nice silicone watch strap, and then on the other side, feels like a silicone watch strap. Oh, I'm like a finger strap? No, it's for your selfie stick. So you got a selfie stick holder and a watch strap holder. They feel reasonably good construction. They got a nice little metal clip there. This one is metal also, but just a little bit like your usual watch strap. And then under here, what do we have in this box? Just rip that. There we go. This is the charger. So it's got your US or USB-B, normal USB there, and it's just a little magnet. And then you plug it into your USB power source and charge your remote. So that's it for the stuff that I've already opened. We still got a couple more things. I'll put this back away properly later. And here I have a quick release mount. I do like these style of mounts. So that can stick to, whatever that you want to hook it up to, I guess. And then in here, what else is in there? Oh, little card, quick release mount instruction guide, and this here feels like another rubber gasket for the top, maybe. Oh, 1, 2, 3. So I guess unlock. Am I missing something? Oh, there's something else too, like a key. Knife. Okay, there's the key. Don't lose that. Why won't this come out? Oh, fuck, I'm dumb. Wait. Unlock. Squeeze the things together. Why doesn't it separate? Oh, it's unlock. Okay, I figured it out. Give me a break. And it's got a pretty strong magnet to it. So these little spacers, I don't know what they're for, to be honest. And it feels like I'm missing something else, but I guess I'm not. So that is the quick release mount. Now last but not least, I got the multi-mount. So let's have a look at this. Looks like it's made by Pagai Tech. All right, let's check this out. Looks quite similar to the Mantis tripod, like this one right here. So it's looks similar form factor. All right. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. I thought this was the tripod. Oh wait, it is. All right, you got a tripod, little extension, camera. It's got a little swivel ball mount. That's kind of cool. Or you can hold it as, you know, just sort of like a selfie stick, a little bit farther away. Good for vlogger with your Ace Pro camera. So that's it for the unboxing. I'm going to stop this now, and you don't have to watch me go through every little setting because sometimes that thing bugs me. I just want to see what's inside the box. So now you've seen what's in the multi-mount box, and where is it? The quick release mount box. And you've also seen what's inside the GPS preview remote box. And of course, the Insta360 Ace Pro. So thanks for watching, and part 2 will be next.